Hey guys, what's up? This is Ryan Higgins from AffiliateToolsForYou.com, and thank you for taking the time to watch my Igniter review. Now, in this Igniter review, we will be looking at things in three parts. First, I'll give you a quick overview about what Igniter is all about, who created it, where he's coming from. Then we'll look quickly at my custom bonuses, which I've put together to give you added value from Igniter and to make it even easier for you to profit and make money with this. After that, we'll take a quick look at the sales page and the claims made on the sales page, and we'll compare those claims with what you actually get inside the members area. So let's do the quick overview now. So Igniter is a product. It's both a done-for-you product that you can sell, okay, which includes sales pages and the product itself, and allows you to get a recurring monthly payment from your clients or your customers that buy it. And it's also a course that will teach you how to make a similar product with your own branding and everything on it and your own sales pages, but for dirt cheap and using free resources. Now, this is big, guys, because normally you'd have to use a software like ClickFunnels to make your own product and to make the pages for it. And ClickFunnels, if you're not already aware, costs about $90 a month. So if you're new to this and just getting in, most of you won't want to make products just because of that issue. The other issue keeping people from making their own products is that it can be time consuming to make the sales pages and everything in the beginning. But again, the creator of Igniter, who happens to be Robin Palmer, has you covered because he is giving away a done-for-you product that you can use along with the sales pages. In addition to that, he is going to train you how to make your own product, how to get it out there, how to build your branding. Now, this is really important because the real reason people want to make their own products, other than branding themselves and other than the fact that you can make a lot of money with them, is that you can build a large list of buyer subscribers, and buyer subscribers are worth a lot of money. We're looking at, on average, $5 per subscriber per month. So you got 500 buyer subscribers, do the math, there you go, you got some money. So this is a great way to build your buyer subscribers list, which you can then remarket other affiliate products to and continue making more money. So this is why Igniter is a great product and why I'm very excited about it. And it's even helping myself because I've been wanting to put out a product for a while, but I've been avoiding ClickFunnels like the plague because I don't feel quite comfortable yet to spend $90 per month. So I've definitely already started using the methods that Robin is revealing here in Igniter. So again, this is created by Robin Palmer. He also created another product about a month or so ago called Gateway, which was an excellent product, which I tried out, which basically shows you how to do review videos like the one that you're seeing now, how to rank YouTube videos, and how to make affiliate commissions. It's a great product, and it's sold very well. And this product is no exception. This is also a very good product. So Robin Palmer, he's new on the scene when it comes to product creation, and that is actually a good thing, guys, because he's wanting to, let's say, make some ripples in the pond, and he's definitely over-delivering like crazy, and you're going to see that very, very soon. So this is the members area that I'm already in. We will come back here in just a moment so we can look at things, but we're going to quickly look at my bonus page because I have put together some very powerful and awesome custom bonuses for you guys, which you can get just by clicking the link in the video description below. That will take you straight to this page here. All right, so you can see my Insane Bonus Bundle, Igniter. If you scroll down, you see a countdown timer. You're going to want to pick these bonuses up before the countdown timer hits 0. And to do that, you just click one of these red buttons here. We'll scroll down further, and after you can read about Igniter here, but if you go down further, you'll see my bonuses. Bonus number 1, valued at $427.95. I'm going to teach you guys how to get tons of affiliates to promote your product for you so that you can make tons of money and get even more buyer leads. All right, guys. Now, this is priceless information. The info that I've gotten for this tutorial that I'm going to give you is stuff that I've learned out of $1,000 courses that I've purchased and taken, where some of the best guys in the industry have walked me through their entire process. All right, so this stuff's really going to help you make tons of money with your products once you're ready to actually do a proper launch. Bonus number 2 says 46. It should be valued at $469. This is my lead swapping hack. Now, I'd actually taken this off for a while, but due to popular demand, I brought it back. And the reason it's so popular is within 2 weeks, you will get 100,000 tier 1 US internet marketing leads that you can then email and get thousands of free clicks, free visitors, and sales going through your product that you created, guys. This is your best free traffic source you can get. All you do is you follow my tutorial that I give you. I'm going to show you an underground lead swapping network where we legally swap hundreds of thousands of leads. I got over 400,000 leads so far, and I'm telling you, within 2 weeks, you'll have at least 100,000. And after that, you can just keep building up more and more and more. So you get tons of free traffic and sales, and it's very, very useful. So I expect that you're going to really enjoy that. Now, guys, keep in mind, you're not going to find these bonuses anywhere else. Feel free to check out what the other affiliates are showing you. These bonuses are exclusive to anybody who chooses to get Igniter through my link below. Next bonus, bonus number 3, valued at $344.95. That will be the Social Media Mastery course. This is a complete course put together by 2 of the top affiliates who give me permission to share this, and they're going to teach you everything you need to know to promote your business on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, as well as Instagram and other social media sources, so you can get tons of free traffic, sales, and brand building. Bonus number 4, again valued at $267. I'm going to show you some additional secrets to how to create your first review. Now, inside Igniter, one of the bonuses that Robin Palmer gives you will also cover reviews, but he has a slightly different take on it than I do. So I thought to give you a very complete training, I would also add my take on it as well. Okay, bonus number 5, valued at $297. This will be the YouTube ads training. This is going to allow you guys to get tons of highly targeted buyer traffic for only pennies, guys. YouTube ads, if you do them right, you learn how to do them right, you can get them for 5 cents, even 3 cents per view. So everything you need to know, you can learn in this tutorial. Bonus number 6 is going to give you access to all of the vendor bonuses, which if you add them to my bonuses, you're looking at over $4,000 worth of bonuses here. Let's take a look at those vendor bonuses. Those are bonuses that Robin is offering to you guys inside the members area of Igniter. And bonus number 1, he's going to give you access to his previous product gateway, which will teach you all about launch jacking, how to get sales without spending money on traffic. It's also going to give you Gateway Supercharged, which is the upgrade. So guys, keep in mind, this is a product he released about a month or so ago, and it was a hot seller, and he's just giving it away to you. So this is like crazy value. Bonus number 2 is YouTube Supremacy, another really, really good course, which I just went over. Teaches you everything you need to know about ranking YouTube videos, and it's worth a lot of money. I actually can't believe he's giving it away here, and I even couldn't believe that he was giving it away for such a low price before. Most people have to pay thousands of dollars for this kind of information. Bonus number 3, my personal arsenal of bonuses. So this is Robin Palmer's personal collection of bonuses that he's put together that he was giving away for all of his previous products that he had been reviewing, so that you can use them and give them away with the products that you review and make even more money. All right, so guys, that's it for his bonuses. which again, combined with mine, are worth a ton of money. And keep in mind, you'll only be paying $9.95 to get Igniter, which is just crazy. Like I said, he's over delivering big time. Guys, let's take a look at the sales page again. I did say that we'd look at the claims the sales page made, and we'll compare those to the members area. And we'll do this really quickly. So guys, Igniter claims to take you from $0 to $18,000 with a simple two-step formula. So why do you need to get Igniter right now? Because you don't need to pay for a website, you don't need an email list, and I should add, you don't need ClickFunnels. So you might want to get them later on, right? But you don't need it to start with this method. It's going to save you a ton of money while helping you to make money. No experience or technical skills required. It's a 100% newbie-friendly method, and what he reveals will allow you to 2x to 10x your profits while working less. So you're not going to have to work more, but you're still going to be able to, maybe 10x your profits without doing any additional work, which is very cool. There's no waiting. You get everything you need to make money right out the gates. Now that is true, guys. He's giving you a done-for-you product and a done-for-you sales page. Doesn't get any easier than that. All you got to do is send traffic to it and you'll make money. So you can make money tonight, okay? Very, very, very easy to use. Okay, he's also going to show you how to bank $100 per day, even if you're starting from zero. Free and cheap resources included. This is all true, guys. I'll show you this in a second. Plus, he gives you a case study, which also shows you what he's doing step by step and the exact results he had been getting. So guys, that's pretty much it for the sales page. And if you look in the members area, you're going to see all of this stuff is true. And it's very useful. So this is the members area where we started out. Here we are. So the first section, he is just explaining how everything works. All right. And the real magic happens in the first module here. So this is just sort of the introductory module. But the real awesome stuff happens straight away. Day one, setup. What does that mean? In one day, you're going to have your own product ready. Okay, if you follow these instructions, you'll have a product and you're going to be getting sales from it and you're going to be getting buyer leads. There's no waiting, there's no messing about, okay, no BS, just taking you straight to the cash. And how does he do that? Well, he's giving you his own product, a product that one of his first products that he made for himself, all right? And he's going to show you how he did it, how it works with these videos here. And then he is, giving you a free page builder. He's going to give you access to the done for you sales page. He's going to show you everything you need and just give you everything on a silver platter. It's crazy, guys. I've never seen so much value for such a low price product before. And I've been having a lot of fun watching the videos and using it myself. So the next section, okay, is teaching how to set up your own product within 7 to 14 days. So remember, if you've done the first section, you already have a product, and by tomorrow, if you actually follow the instructions, you should already be making money, all right? While you're making money from that product, you can then spend the next 7 to 14 days building your own product with your own name on it, and that you can build your own brand with. Okay, so he's going to teach you everything here: how to structure your product, creating the main training, creating upsells, welcome video, build your site for free. Now, guys, the real value here, guys, is he's found a way how to build your site for free. This is crazy, all right? And I don't mean building it for free and it's a pain in the butt to build or that it's hard, because there are free ways to do it that are difficult and horrible. He's giving you a way that's very quick. Within 7 days, you can have it up, running, and profiting from it. Okay? And he's also going to show you how and where to generate free traffic, which is really important. And here he has a bunch of resources, which I'm not going to open it up because I'll be giving too much away, and that wouldn't be fair to him. All right? And then, of course, he has all of his bonuses here as well. And if you want any of his upgrades, they're here. Which, by the way, I should mention his upgrades. All right, so we'll go back to my bonus page because there I've noted all of his upgrades. I must confess I haven't tried out his upgrades, so I can't vouch for them necessarily because I haven't tried them, but they sound pretty cool. So upsell number 1 is Igniter Advanced, only 17 bucks, guys, which is really, not much to spend. And he's going to show you further income hacks and advanced methods that he's using to crank out products and digital assets even faster. Upsell number 2, Igniter Beast Mode, $37. Show people his 30 to 60 day traffic strategy. Upsell number 3, Igniter Resell Rights, only $97, which is just crazy. I mean, he could be selling this easily for 200 bucks, 300 bucks. Reseller rights are great, guys. It's a little known secret in the affiliate marketing community, especially if you're going to use paid traffic. If you see something's converting well and you're promoting it, you buy the reseller rights. And he's basically giving it away. All right. So I would definitely recommend that because I'm very sure this product is going to sell like a hot cake just because the value here is just amazing. Right. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Well, I have them highlighted here. You guys can read them on your own. I've already stated them. I don't want to overstate them, right? You don't need a website. You don't need an email list. It's newbie friendly. I mean, you can 10x your profits, no waiting. Easily make 100 per day. Cheap resources included, and a case study included. Guys, that's all I have to say. And also, if you do end up getting my bonuses, they're instantly delivered. This is being sold through Warrior Plus. So when you access your purchase, there's this green button. Underneath, there's this blue button. That's where you'll get my bonuses. Now, guys, only get this if you think it's going to help you. All right. I know I've been very excited about this, but by no means, if you're not ready for this, don't get it. This is only meant for if you're really looking to start making your own products, So it might not be for all of you, but if you do want to make products, I definitely recommend this, guys, and I think you'll be more than happy with it. I know I am, but again, each of you are different, so do whatever you think is best for you. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later.